Hey guys, I'm Amrita Varshini. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share something I have not prepared for it, but whatever I'm telling, I'm sure that it will definitely inspire and motivate you to dream big. So let's get started and welcome back to the channel. So basically, whenever I was in my 6th, 7th, or 8th standard, I used to be an active person on YouTube where I consume the content, and I found one of the channel where someone who later I got to know that she was from my college were sharing her thoughts, her beauty tips, etc. And she used to say that every day some or the other person will approach her, come to her, and tell that she is her inspiration. She is their inspiration, and they follow her channel on YouTube. They have subscribed her channel, and they'll follow each and every update of her channel. So after hearing this, I also used to aspire whether there will be an opportunity where I'll share my thoughts and I'll get recognized for it. And wherever I go, for example, if I go to my college, somebody should recognize me for my work. I'm not sure on which creator I'll become, but I was aspiring that wherever I go, I should get recognized. People should recognize me for my work. This was the thing which I was sure of. And I just aspired about that and I completely forgot. I didn't create a YouTube channel or any Instagram account till my 12th standard. And even after my 12th, I became active on Instagram, but I was not posting content very often. So, suddenly I uploaded my CA foundation result, which came on February 7, 2024 on LinkedIn. So it was a random impulsive decision out of FOMO where I also uploaded my foundation result because all the other person was uploading. So I randomly uploaded and I got around 4,500 impressions. So the basic initial kick gave me a push and gave me a motivation to continue uploading contents on LinkedIn. So then I uploaded mistakes which I did in my foundation preparation, and I got around 15,000 impressions, and it really motivated me. So I started creating content continuously on LinkedIn, and within just 1.5 years, I today have around 17,400 plus followers on LinkedIn. And this is not the case where the things stop. This is not the something that I want to share, but the main thing that I wanted to share is the dream which this 8th standard 7th standard girl has came true each and every day from around 1 year, almost 1 year. Each and every day, wherever I go, I get recognized in some form or the other for my content on LinkedIn. Be it teachers, be it students, be it juniors, be it seniors, or be it any random person, or be it anyone, wherever I go, each and every day, I get compliments for my content on LinkedIn, as well as my presence and my thoughts, the way I upload, the way I create content, the creativity in my content. People really appreciate that. And really, I'm feeling like a it is a fun moment every day for me. So sometimes we dream for bigger things, but we think that will it even happen, and we stop that completely. But whenever you're dreaming, why not dream big? Why you are dreaming low? Even if you aim for sky, you'll land on stars. But if you're only aiming for stars, you'll only achieve the terrace height. So whenever you are dreaming, whenever you're asking for God or asking for universe in the form of manifestation, so please ask and aim for bigger things, because you are meant for bigger things, and whatever you ask will definitely come true. The things may delay, the things you ask may come in other form, but when you ask God or when you ask the universe, there is no denial in any form. If God is saying yes to you, it means it is the best for you. And if God is saying no, it is not a rejection, it is just a redirection to something that you are actually meant for. So I hope this video was really helpful and motivational for you. So please subscribe the channel and like the video, and whatever, show your thoughts, ideas, any suggestions in the comment section below. I'm open to suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.